Hey guys, gonna get some fire alarm done today. Possibly some security. Hoping to get isolators up. Get some wiring done. I put the wall up, not that hard. Painted it, put some plywood up, make it look somewhat nice. It is just a garage, workshop. So, been cleaning a lot, been doing all this stuff. Been too cold lately to do anything really with boats or even any other project. Finally got nice and warm out, so we're gonna try to get some of this done. Let's hope this goes well. It's starting to get hot here, so we're gonna get some clothes off and we're gonna get working here. So let's see how this goes for today. I think I have everything I should need, so this should go quite quickly. So I got isolators and all that stuff to put up. So I did do some pre-prep of thing. Here's the fire alarm panel. If anyone was curious, that's what we're using. I got the power box mounted, so this should go quite quickly, hopefully. I did get some holes pre-drilled off. When I put this up, just I think that where it has to go. We're hoping these two holes line up. We're gonna find out. So let's get this put up. Okay. So this should have to go through this hole, I think. That's gonna line up. That hole lines up. Good. Put that position in. Do what I do. Just been cleaning up some other stuff. Set that back out the hole. Now I'm sure if it lines up, it does. So we're gonna throw a screw into roughly where I think it has to go, which is gonna be right about there. So, yep, see that? There's a screw though. So, let's see how this goes. Toolbox. Lines up quite nice. Got the hole in the back, the power. It all lines up quite nice actually. So. Unfortunately, that boat project is going to be done with a while till all this stuff comes in for it. So, let's get to this level. A lot of people ask me what I use a lot of times. It's gonna be these. These are panhead Phillips. We call them usually tech screws. So what a lot of people call them. You get them at Home Depot. These are 1.75 inches, I think. They work pretty good for stuff like this, especially like keyhole slots and all this stuff. So especially with like keyhole slots, and like this panel has these open slots. You do want to use some washers if you want to. You can use washers. I don't. I use big screws. Okay. And that panel's up. This panel is used, so it's a little dinged up and not the best, but it'll do a job. So this can go through here. I just kind of measure out where the holes had to be, so I know where most of the stuff has to go. So I'm gonna tighten this down. So I will bring you guys a little bit closer in so you can see how it is. So there's the panel, and you can see with those keyhole slots, you really want to make sure that is in good. So, and then power box. So that's all in. This is a double transformer to convert 110 volts down to 16. And yeah, just been doing some of this stuff. We're gonna try to get some more of this done. I probably make a couple different parts because I didn't want to record all at once. That's a lot to do at one day. So yeah. So I did run the wiring. It is right here. It is a 14 gauge SO cable I'm running. It should be good. It's good enough. So, double transformer to power up the security panel, which is the next thing we're gonna put up. This item is used too. There it is. This is a photo access controller with Wi-Fi card. It does all the door access stuff, keypad, which we are going to be putting soon on the front door, back door too, RF scanner, everything be done through this. I don't have an enclosure for this, so I have a box we're going to be putting up. I made one for this box. I bought this set it's from another job we did, and I got out of there, but the box was destroyed, so I made one out of wood. Does pretty good. So we're gonna get that ready to go. So over here, we're gonna take some stuff out of it because it does wheels. Just getting the box dismantled because it is a used. I did this box, use it for something else. I'm gonna take a lot of stuff out though. You guys have to let me know. If I do it live, hopefully it'll do a lot of goodness. So there's my homemade box. It's gonna do all the security stuff. Got holes pre-drilled. And we're gonna stick that right about there. So it kind of lines up with the other one. I don't think that looks too bad. But I am gonna give it a slight gap in it. I'm thinking like that. That doesn't look too bad. So let's get mounted. Move you guys back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna give a little bit of gap. And wait. Luckily there's a stud right there, so looks pretty good to me. Actually, it looks, I have a level on one side. Doesn't look too bad actually, guys. Nice and fixedly mounted. Nice and fixed. Security board's going in. And it's gonna go in just right about the middle. That looks pretty good right there. I am gonna leave a little gap back there just to ensure it has room to breathe. One screws I don't like are these exact ones, but I have leftover ones of this for the job, so. Fits pretty good. So there. That doesn't look too bad actually. So there you go, guys. So now the plan is to try we're gonna attempt to get some isolator boxes mounted up there. I got them pre-set up off camera because it's easier. I was trying to with boxes and then wanted to just play house grab materials because it's not the right stuff. So there it is. We got 1, 2, and 3. And these are just gonna sit up though. Kind of like this. I do have, if anyone's curious, all the bond screws are in with 4 jumpers to connect ground to a field because everything in fire alarm has to be grounded. So, and then I got picked out going down to the panel. I'll just slide down in that one. And there you go. Made it somewhat symmetric between the either in the panel. It looks not bad. So I'm gonna mount this up, and I'm gonna call this part 1 of woofing. This is gonna be woofing, fire alarm panel, woof LED. Then part 2 we will come back, wire it all up, get devices and all the stuff in. So I've done some other work with full fire alarm. Like I got some wiring ran, got wiring for this ran. Probably show you guys installing some devices. Hopefully, get some other good content out. Now, please like, subscribe if you like this stuff content. Because I'm going to do more fire alarm stuff. So, I know you guys tend to like fire alarms, so, I'm going to call that part 1. And next part we'll come back. Get all the wiring in. Wire all this up. I do already have the power ran. So should I do that? It's not that hard. And the next part we will actually wire it all up and get to testing and all that fun goodness, hopefully, if no problems come up. So, because this is a Rivian panel, so I can show you this, guys. This is a Rivian panel. So these panels is already, yeah, you can see. So I have to get my laptop and everything, and I have to get someone who's more knowledgeable than me out here. These have to get programmed through. Apparently that's looks suck, but on the back of this one is a I don't have the programmer card in here. There's supposed to be another card way about here. I don't have it. It's a programmer card. So when that comes in, I can program it through my laptop. So, call this part 1. Thank you guys for watching, hopefully. Like, subscribe, and let's see how the channel goes. Thank you.